It's me, Erin, and the most annoying thing in my live stream.
I just wanted to know what it was like to watch.
What you probably don't know is that 2 days before Christmas, my oven broke and we had to go get a new one. It's the appropriate thing to do. Bacon. New bubbly.
4 tickets are $300. But right here, you can push for the best seat.
A mojito breeze.
At the light, turn left onto Tennessee Boulevard.
Did you got a turtle? Merry Christmas! Emmett!
Oh no, another baby.
You got the baby you wanted! Oh me, most annoying thing in my live stream. Oh, she moved. Kitty! Ah! Hello, Booby Goaters. It's me, Erin, and welcome to another day in my life. It's a couple days to Christmas. I haven't wrapped a dang present. How come you're orange and I'm red? Maybe because I've been alive longer than you. I'm toasty too.
Maybe because you've been outside more.
I went outside for the geese and
I'm
ducks.
kidding,
route.
I go outside more. You're just red like that.
I am. I'm red with a passion. A passion to eat ribeyes.
I just wanted to know what it was like to walk out in the barnyard with socks on, like the kids do all the time. And it's not pleasant. Your feet get wet. I like to do this barefoot, but not here. It's covered in chicken poo and duck poo. Kind of wet. Hello. Oh, the turkey's on the other side of the fence.
Don't see any.
Not Terri.
All right, let's go.
Oh, you're barefoot. Well, I walked out like you guys usually do with socks. It's unpleasant. I don't know why you do it. Is that why you take them off and leave them out here and they become farm socks? I understand now.
What you probably don't know is that 2 days before Christmas, my oven broke and we had to go get a new one. And this is like, you know, the affordable one right now. And we're breaking it in with bacon. There's bacon in there. It's the appropriate thing to do. Bacon. New bubbly.
4 tickets are $300.
Tiki
But
sunrise.
Pops is good. And Pops has money.
Smells fruity.
I'll do these ones.
Strange, but I'll drink it. It's okay. Some fruit punchy.
But right here, up through the main stands, there are the, you can push for the best seat.
Don't suck up! Oh god, you ran it over. Did it get sucked up in there?
What?
You gotta pick a big step first, Sergeant.
You got that?
It's supposed to do a wet match. This next one I was scared to get. It is a mojito breeze from Bubbly. And if anyone knows about the mojito ones, like the LaCroix or the ones that you can pick up at Kroger, they're different because of the mint. I think it's the mint flavor in it. So bottoms up, kids. Let's try it. All right, Bubbly's one, they did okay, but it's still not my favorite. But it tastes way better than LaCroix's mojito and the Kroger one. What do you think about that one, Rocky?
But
It's still good? Emmett, try it. All right, Emmett, try the mint mojito. Wait, it's backwards. There you go.
We need to tell you something.
What do you think? Good or bad? Good.
What is?
At the light, turn left onto Tennessee Boulevard, then turn right onto South College Street.
Yeah, it doesn't really pick it up. Not as beautiful as it really is. Christmas! What is all this? Did you got a turtle? Oh no. Merry Christmas! Oh my goodness. You'll need that today. It's going to be 72 degrees. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.
No!
There's so many presents. There's presents on the tree and in the tree. Now you gotta wait for your grandpa. Oh. Merry Christmas. Listen, don't have a cow, man. You don't get it.
Rocky!
Don't shoot your brother. Merry Christmas! Emmett! Scarlett, you wait.
Quieter, more ambiance rather than.
Is that the Yule log?
Oh yeah, I'll be honest. That was probably.
Nixon, oh boy.
Poor old grandpa.
Merry Christmas.
Now there's in that thing is a bunch of cards for everybody.
This is yours.
Oh, well, I don't need nothing.
I think you'll like it.
I'm sure I will, but just horses, you know.
Oh, cool.
You know, I don't have too much imagination.
Working here. This is Scarlet. This is
I
also
see that.
This is also Scarlet. Hey, give me. This is also Scarlet.
Oh, wow.
Oh, hey, now I do like this.
Is that a Zorro?
Emmett.
Yes, thank you. That was a good
Eloise,
choice.
that big Roxy. This one's from Louie.
Since basically I'm not going to percolate anymore. Oh, she even got, what you call it?
Yeah. It's all ready for that camping.
If I ever do it again.
Let's have these boys clear a spot up there.
I'd like to do it, you know.
Everybody, I'll put it right
I
here.
don't work that anymore.
Yeah. Puzzles. You love puzzles.
Bluey.
Puzzles.
Yeah, do you like that?
What is that, Nixon?
I don't want them to get knocked down.
What is this one for?
Those cards.
Okay.
and
They're for everyone. Okay.
all the children.
Oh
the
my
little children.
goodness, Nikki.
What is that?
Lego ship.
It's a Lego ship.
Somebody have to help me with this.
Probably.
Where's Isaac at?
What is it?
A race car.
I got two.
Oh boy. You got Luffy now?
It's nice.
And a fishing pole? Good, you'll need that.
Are you going fishing?
For survival.
You see how
I
What'd you get, Pete?
I'm gonna go
This is for him.
I got my chest.
Uh,
Next
I wonder what that could be, Isaac.
I don't know.
Hand me the trash bag.
Batman.
Where's the trash bag?
Isaac, turn around. Look, you got hungry hippos.
Oh, thank you. Now,
Two Nixon from Raquel. That's what it says. That penguin. It says two Nixon from Raquel.
yeah. You like that?
Yeah, Rocky got me something for Christmas.
I thought you might like that.
Thank you, Rocky.
Let everybody get it.
You can put that over there with that for
What's that?
Thank you, Rocky.
Get out.
Yeah.
Cool.
Double Nixon.
Oh wow, Rocky. Look at all these things back here. I can't even record you. Oh my goodness.
This from Dad.
Oh, look.
Daddy, this from you.
Yeah.
Books is good.
What do you got? Little Bear.
Yeah.
I got
Pete the Cat. 12 Days of a Groovy Christmas. That's a puzzle. What does it make? Oh, cool. All right, here's the big thing. I wonder what it could be. You might want to move stuff.
Oh no, another baby.
You got the baby you wanted.
A lot of babies.
Oh boy.
Okay, you got 2 babies now.
Yeah, you have so many babies now.
Eloise, is this yours?
One Piece coloring book.
Did you open it?
Oh boy, you're gonna be busy.
The dude.
Yep. What could it be, Wheezy? Wow, a box inside of a box, Eloise. Just what you always wanted.
What is that big thing?
It's a box inside of a box. Yeah, he's got a fishing pole. Is he gonna catch you a fish? Oh, you got another present? Let's open it. What could it be?
So I'm gonna open it. Let's go.
Look, Rocky got a holiday Barbie.
I'm not yours.
I know.
Rocky, keep this thing.
I'm right here behind you.
I got behind the Bobby. Call it, look.
Drum set.
What I got, Rocco?
Petrus, is that what you needed? What you just opened?
You got 10 months.
Two kids?
Wow.
A Bible. A missal.
What is it?
A church missal. A really old one. I think it's from 1940.
What is that?
Yeah, pass it.
I don't know what it is.
A Catholic missal. Nixon wrapped them. I don't know where they go.
That's leather bound.
You don't know it. This
Human
one,
skin bound.
Hey, here's
Baby dolls. What does this one say? It says Petrus.
that's leather bound too.
Okay, but you have my Tesla one.
Yeah.
You got $1,400.
Yes, you do. Over here. Rocky, you got something to open. Oh my gosh, you're being buried by toys. You are so buried right now.
Oggy got chicken.
You're gonna have to learn how to knit.
Mommy.
Itty bitty nitty.
Nobody knows what I think that
Mommy want that big.
name is Ronaldo.
I like that. He needed a name.
Mexican name.
You got a Brooke.
You got a
They didn't have a redhead Veda. These are classic. That Barbie is probably 30 years old.
That's a vintage Barbie.
I'm not sure what year it is. It'll probably say somewhere.
Who is Charlie?
It's from Charlie. You'll find out when you open it. And then look inside.
Well, it's probably yours.
Oh.
To Rocky from Mom and Dad. Yep, that's Rocky.
Who is this? There's no two.
That's you, Isaac. Ooh, crackers. Holiday crackers. We'll have to do those when we're done cleaning up. The puppies. Why that one in the middle looks like Honeywood?
Oh, that's so sad. It was Eloise. I have magic light.
Yep.
And look at
Get working.
Eloise.
It's appropriate.
Yeah.
Does it come with the starter so you don't even have to?
Is it 150?
I have no idea.
Yeah, you can look.
Probably does come with the starter.
That's cool. A dried out starter, you just have to add water. Yeah.
Give me the Eloise too.
It says to Nixon and Emmett. So you both got over.
No, all the time.
Look at you, Emmett, over there nice and quiet.
Whatever it is.
Eloise! Off the name and everything.
Yeah.
All the old ladies do.
Hilda.
This is yours.
It's a nice bag, though. Tell you that much.
Big fan of the
Oh, Mom! Mom, it's yours.
Oh, I can say.
What is that?
Man, this is mine.
Oh, it came off of there, didn't it?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Alright, find Eloise.
Eloise, where'd you go?
She's hiding.
Oh, thank you.
He made it himself.
Did you make this?
Yeah, he made you a present and everything.
A lot of stuff.
It's only been 11 minutes.
I know. It's almost over.
Emmett.
Well, you like to hear that.
Oh, you love the baby? We'll open your baby in just a minute. I know. It's like you've been always asking for pliers. And it's all the ones you need.
Yeah.
Oh, it came from the tree.
I'm making an Eloise.
Well, your baby's very cute.
Eloise, you got a whole pile in here.
Ooh, hungry hippos.
Who is that?
It says Raquel. Yeah, he's been wrapping stuff.
Mommy, I think it comes with 1 minute.
A pizza Furby.
Eloise, come here right now.
Pizza the Hut.
It's a ham.
Hungry.
Mom,
I wonder what that is.
Shape of it is a ham.
Rocky, you're gonna get covered in toys and presents.
You gotta wait.
Well,
Thank you.
Did you make it?
yeah.
A whole
It's
farthing,
nice,
right? A
though.
whole farthing.
Yeah.
Why, Emmett?
Thank
You're
you.
so nice.
You thought of me.
I think 2 or 3.
Oh, there you
Cool.
go.
You got a Christmas tree.
Stick your hand and grab something. Good. I'm moving all my presents.
Oh,
Stick your hand
thank you. Merry Christmas, Scarlett. Thank you.
Where is Flash?
Let up. Oh my goodness. Is that a bluey airplane? And it comes with all the guys.
Look at that.
Rocky, there's a big one.
Crochet!
It's good. You're gonna learn. You're gonna learn how to knit
Oh,
a
he
fox.
gets this one, but I appreciate that, too.
Look what you
You
got!
got a rock.
I got 2 for you.
Nice.
Oh, camera!
Wow. Cool. A little digital camera.
Hand me the paper.
There you go. That's it.
Wait, Veda wants your paper.
There you
Listen to
go.
that. Where's my bag?
Give Veda your Christmas paper. Ooh, Rocky, what could it be?
Rocky, you still have 2 more.
No, no, no.
Are you recording?
No, you still have stuff to open. Get over here.
What's that? A new phone!
The birthday boy and
Her other one didn't do the thing
Damn
anymore.
it, you put.
Yeah, it didn't spin.
And open this door. Hey, Rocky! Rocky, look.
Oh, wow. Look at all this bluey. What are you going to do with all of it?
Bluey's a big thing here.
I see.
Some.
Oh,
Here,
yeah.
talk about it.
That's going to take us like 5 days to build, isn't it?
Camera.
Oh,
Boogie boogie.
Okay, I'm taking this on my bed.
that's good.
Mommy, won't be open.
You won't believe this.
I don't
Another rock.
This is my pink digital camera.
He said that's what Isaac got. Why can't I get that? It's a knife. Oh boy.
What rat? What? Those cans.
Fuel for his portable gas stove.
Clearly not in it. And open your present.
Oh, you got it?
I think your dad's planning on kicking you guys out.
Yep.
There's the hole.
Something I need.
I got the best
Yay! Now we can call Santa and tell him thank you. Are you gonna open your other present, Rocky? Right behind you?
I just looked around all the fine print.
If you go to the back, it can tell you like on the phone.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Stay on it, though.
What is that, Rocky?
Oh.
I'm back.
1993.
A 1993 Barbie.
Will this turn me into a jabroni?
Wow, show Veda.
What is it?
Now you can drive around with your Barbies.
That's really cool, Rocky.
A rock.
Oh, we got the one. Oh, everybody has to see my Why can't I do another one? Hey, Nixon, you want?
I think you're gonna learn how to knit.
You gonna knit?
Well, you gotta learn.
Knit?
These are skills you need.
Yours, Mom.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys are both.
Somebody took my trash.
Yeah, it's pretty good Christmas.
Oh yeah. He disappeared. A magnetic neck mount. Cool. Flash is still going at it.
I like this.
I can't read it. Why can't I read it?
Did you ask it questions?
Yes.
I was a fall.
You want what?
The opening of the ancient Barbies.
That was really funny, Scarlett.
I saw it.
I ripped the box, guys. I ripped the box.
That's okay. You're gonna play with them, right?
Well, I can't take
Yeah, baby, you're gonna play Barbies with us, right?
You better. There's a Barbie car now too. Hey Rocky, you should open your Barbie car. Oh my goodness. Does it smell old? Can I smell your Barbie?
It does have like a thrift store kind of scent to it.
Because it's been there for a while?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 year limited warranty.
Oh no. Nolan Boyd. Nolan Boyd.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of hairspray. I got a letter.
What if she starts disintegrating if you touch her hair?
Are you recording
Yo,
me?
Yes.
I got a 2-year limited warranty.
Yo, mine's older.
2 years living in warranty.
Oh no.
He got the girls.
Sweet. Ooh, and a trampoline. Can't wait. Look at Rocky.
Booby goaters, we put the oil in the new bike and we put the gas in, and all of a sudden it was leaking gas everywhere. So then we tightened everything to make sure, I didn't put it together, the people at Tractor Supply did, and we put gas in again and it was leaking all over the place. So now I'm returning it tomorrow. Merry Christmas. Next thing we gotta do is put together the trampoline.
Oh, are you gonna buy a new one?
Hey, get over here and line up. What do they want? Hey, that's my basketball.
Oh my god, I feel like my brain's gonna fall out.
Christmas part 2 trampoline. Emmett, go play with your toys. Several hours later, we have the base, and now we're assembling the net to the jumpy thingy, because that's what we do.
Happy.
But the rib roast, I mean, it looks good in certain parts, but the little top, hit that, it's too big. And if I put it down here, I'm gonna have to remove this grate. And I had to restart my fire because we were building a trampoline, which is over there in that huge mess that we have to clean up. Yeah, that's okay, it'll happen. But I forgot to check on the coals, so now it's got to relight it. I obviously touched it with my hands, the coals. Big bag of coal, thanks to Santa Claus, just for me. But it's, you know, everywhere else that didn't touch the top looks fantastic. I might just turn it around or something. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. It's beautiful. I like it. I just seasoned this with mustard, as you can see on the outside of it. And then I put the Louisiana Cajun seasoning that I have that's super clean. And we're smoking it. So I'm gonna wait till these start smoking and go back in. Yay! Several hours later. Yay!
Give it.
Get in that hoop.
Your cheeks are getting numb. Shake my soda.
Yay! She did it.
Okay. I wish that was too cool.
Emmett, catch the ball. Rocky, you gotta guard me. You gotta keep me away from Emmett.
Just give her the ball and let her shoot.
You gotta turn around and get your hands out. No? Get your hands like that. Just like that. Okay, Emmett, you ready? You gotta catch this ball. Get over there. You gotta start right there. You're gonna catch the ball and shoot it, okay?
Oh man. Merry Christmas. It's looking good. I'm adding some more coals to the fire. I'll get some water. I'll wash my hands, get some water in my hands. And we'll go check on the chickens. Shouldn't need so much. Fantastic. Smoked rib roast. Scrumdiddly-umptious. And you're doing amazing on your boat. This is crazy good. How many hours has it been? Booby Goaters, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and thank you for hanging out with me this year. I am not going to be doing a morning live on Friday, and I will resume it back on Monday. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. Yes, sir. Please comment. And I hope you have a great and wonderful holiday season. I'll see you Monday.